Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for enhancing your online security using Google Authenticator. But not just on your phone, we're taking it to your Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC. Yes, you heard it right. So, if you're someone who prioritizes security but loves the convenience, you're in for a treat. So, let's get started. First things first, Google Authenticator itself doesn't have an official application for Windows. But worry not, we'll guide you through a workaround using an emulator. Open your Google Chrome, then type in myaccount.google.com in your address bar. Then tap on the first one. You should check whether it is the official site or not. Scroll down until you find how you sign into Google section, then tap on the two-step verification option. Here you'll need to turn on the two-step verification. Scroll down and tap on Get Started. Here you'll be prompted to enter your password for security reason. Enter your password, then tap in Next. Then click on Continue. Enter your phone number so you can get the verification code. Then click on Send. Now type in the code that was sent to your phone number. Then click on Next. Here you can turn on the two-step verification. Now what we'll need to do is go back and turn on the Authenticator app option. Click on Authenticator app. Then tap on Set up Authenticator. Then tap on Can't Scan It. Here you'll be given a code which you can use for entering the email. And there you have it. Now you can set up your accounts for two-factor authentication. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Securing your online presence is more important than ever, and we're here to make it easier for you. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to drop a comment below. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss out on our latest tips and tricks.